Hi everyone! It's me again, Judy and Santos-Agoncillo. In case may hindi pa nakakakilala sa inyo, sa mga bata out there, I am Judy and Santos-Agoncillo. And today, I will be sharing 3 different recipes using 1 major ingredient, but very, very simplified. Pero sigurado ako, ma-entertain at ma-enjoy ito ng mga kaibigan ninyo at mga kapamilya ninyo. Okay? So join me today. Best pa naman ng kanin. We all love a very good egg recipe. So for today, gagawa tayo ng 3 simpleng egg recipes that we're very familiar with using 1 very special ingredient that would make every recipe extra special. Basic recipes, but with a lot of magic. Gets? Okay, let's start. For this first recipe, we will just be making a well-loved dish we call tortang talong. So we will grill our tortang talong. I-grill natin siya. So how would you know kung fresh ba ang talong nyo? Aba, importante, makita nyo yung stem, it should be very green. And pagka hinawakan nyo yung mismong body ng talong, it should be firm to the touch. Nag-grill na rin naman tayo ng talong, mag-grill na rin tayo ng kamatis kasi we will pair this with grilled tomatoes and onion salsa. Ay, alam nyo, nakalimutan ko. Wait ha. Nakalimutan kong i-pierce ang ating talong. Importante that you pierce your talong. You pierce your talong? Grabe, nagiging kolehiyala ako dito. Kailangan nyo siyang butasan kasi pag hindi, pwede siyang pumutok sa inyo at masakit yun. And then, lalagyan din natin ng oil para magkaroon pa siya ng lasa ng pagka-smoke and at the same time, yung pagka-char niya. Ganon din yung eggplant. We will grill again our eggplants. Of course, kung may uling naman kayo sa bahay, maganda rin na uling ang gamitin nyo kasi yun talaga yung magbibigay ng authentic smoky flavor niya. For our ensalada, we will use at least just half of red onions. Tapos silip-silipin nyo lang yung talong nyo. Kung happy pa ba siya, kung nandyan pa ba siya, balikan natin. Kasi parang pwede na siyang baliktarin. Ayan. There's some sweetness na nare-release ng tomatoes kasi when you grill them. Napakasarap nito lalo sa mga inihaw na mga proteins. So, perfect na part ng eggplant, pagka prines nyo siya, yung mushy na siya. Pwede nyo siyang i-grill as black as you can get. It doesn't matter kasi babalatan din naman natin siya. And then, it's either you can cover it with aluminum foil or cover it with a cling wrap. Pero, dahil sayang ang mga ganyan, kasi syempre pagka ginamit mo, tatapon mo na, di ba? Plato na lang. So, yung moist nito, ang tutulong sa inyo na hindi kayo mahirapan balatan yung talong nyo. Walang tatawa. So, once na nag-moist na siya, because tinakpan natin, it's easier to peel the eggplant. Basta sasama na lang siya, oh. Simpleng dish, but ito talaga yung nakaka-Pilipino sa lahat. Yung dapat alam mong gumawa ng tortang talong. Sabi nila, pag marunong ka nang gumawa ng tortang talong, pwede ka na mag-asawa. So for our grilled tomato salsa, of course, importanteng grilled ang tomatoes. Iyan yung ginawa natin kanina. You just want to dice it. Hindi naman kailangan uniform sizes. For some reason, gusto ko yung texture ng seeds sa salsa. But yung iba ayaw kasi sabi nila, pagka marami ka na nakakaing buto, masama na raw yan sa katawan. Di ba nga pag bata kasi sabihin, huwag mo kakainin yung buto, tutubo yan sa bituka mo. Then we add our onions, just 1 garlic, a bit of pepper. You can use vinegar. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng calamansi. And why not add Maggi Sabor? Ay, naku, nagutom na ako direct. This is totally optional. Let's add a bit of thyme. And then, of course, this is the time that we add our magic. Yan, ang granules na nagbibigay ng sarap. And of course, just a bit of olive oil or any neutral oil you have. I love cilantro. Mahal na mahal ko ang cilantro. Yung iba, though acquired taste kasi siya, yung iba, hindi nila masyadong type. Napakaganda ng kulay. Don't forget, sa bawat pagkain na luluto ninyo, importante yung tikman. Para malaman nyo kung ano pa idadagdag natin. Bakit ang perfect agad? Mayabang ba ako? Oh, may magic ako eh. Okay, our salsa is done. We move to our tortang talong. To our bowl, we add 4 eggs. Bago natin gawin ang ating itlog, initin na natin yung mantika natin. Then, this is also the time that we add our magic. Okay, can be generous. Kasi nandito na lahat ng lasa. Napaka-kompleto nito. Malinamnam, malasa. And I want to add a bit of pepper here. What I like about Maggi Magic Syrup is that the granules really melts fast. So wala ka talagang makakagat kasi talagang ang bilis niyang mag-mix sa pagkain. This is the time that we will flatten our talong. Ay, para siya may paa. Para siya maglalakad, para siya mag-walk out. Ay, ang ganda niya. Okay, nagpakitang gilas na siya. It's time. We dip our eggplant. Just to make sure na everything is coated with egg. So again, this is our egg mixture na nilagyan natin ng Maggi Magic Syrup. Make sure that your oil is very, very hot. Tapos, sabayan natin ang dasal na sana hindi siya masyado matalamsik. Then we add a bit more egg on the side. Ay, ang saya niya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Para siyang kulot. Para siyang kulot na beauty queen, oh. Then, gusto mo siya paliguan pa ng mantika kasi para maluto yung ibabaw. Ay, ang ganda niya. Pwede siyang ligawan, oh. Pwede natin siyang baliktarin para talagang crispy siya. See, yan ang saysay ng stem para hindi kayo mapasok. Ay, ang saya niya. Gusto ko talaga mas marami yung itlog kasi para marami akong ulam. Oh, wow. Meron tayong tortang talong and then we'll just plate it. And there you have our very own magical tortang talong. Okay, it's time to taste. Yes, oh, ganyan talaga ako kalaki sumubo eh. Wala naman tayong dinagdag masyado, pero buong-buo yung lasa. Direct pero naman ng kanin. Nauuso ngayon ang tinatawag nating ramen eggs or those runny eggs. It is actually an egg that's been boiled for at least 5 minutes and 30 and then nilalagay natin yan sa ice bath to stop the cooking process. And then that's the time we peel it. So in a boiling water, so let's put at least 3 or 4 eggs. Oh, malulungkot siya. Sama ko na siya direct. Kawawa naman. So we time that for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Remember, it should be boiling already. One thing that I like doing for my adobo sauce is that I saute my garlic first kasi gusto kong lumalabas yung lasa talaga ng garlic. So in a bit of oil, okay? Pag naamoy nyo na yung garlic, ibig sabihin lumasa na siya sa mantika. I like dissolving my sugar sa suka. Of course, sugar to balance everything. It can be brown, it can be white. I also want to fry some of my bay leaf. So, equal parts of soy sauce and vinegar. We do the tantiameter. So, may sugar na tayo dyan. We add our peppercorns. And just a bit of water para lang pag nag-reduce yung soy sauce natin, hindi siya magiging masyadong maalat. And of course, let's not forget our magic. You just want to simmer it. Kapag ka medyo nawala na yung amoy ng suka, that's the time that we turn the heat down, let it simmer. It's time to take out our eggs. Patain na siya. Pepew! Make sure na naka-ready na yung ice bath ninyo. Again, that's to stop the cooking process. Yan lang naman yun. Kasi para ma-achieve natin yung runny yolks kapag kahinati natin siya. And pag malamig na siya, it's easier to peel the eggs kapag nasa tamang temperature na siya. Hindi naman din Ibig sabihin, pag masyado na siyang malamig, hindi na siya pwede sa adobo ninyo because we are still gonna cool our adobo sauce bago natin ilagay yung cooled eggs natin. And we will have to leave that for at least 1 or 2 hours para talagang pumasok yung lasa ng adobo sa itlog. Or better yet, overnight. Ito na yung cooled and then na-strain na siya. Ilalagay na natin siya sa separate bowl para pag nag-peel tayo ng eggs, ididiretso na natin siya dyan. Nakita niyo kung gaano siya kadaling balatan. And you will know kapag ka nakuha niyo yung perfect runny eggs, kapag ka pinindot niyo siyang ganyan and it just bounces off. Ha? Sa pagkakataon to, nabasag ko siya ng very, very light. Okay. Sa susunod na itlog, mas ingatan pa natin, no? 1. So we will leave this inside the refrigerator for 1, 2 hours. Again, pwedeng overnight. There you go. Actually, yan na yun eh. Buong-buo na yung lasa niyan eh. All we need is rice. Ito yung magandang laging meron kayo on hand sa bahay ninyo para when you get home from work, hindi nyo na kailangang mag-order or may ready na kayong pagkain. It's a quick fix and at the same time, ito yung talagang ang simple pero nandun lahat ng lasa. Let's check our eggs. Parang may mga anghel. Let's taste the perfect adobo egg with magic. Ang daming lasa. Ang daming lasa, ang linamnam. Dapat meron kayo lagi nito. Trust me, you always have to have adobo egg with the magic. Sarap! For our next egg recipe, we will be making crispy omelet with shrimps. Let's do this. Last na lang, promise. Okay, let's go. Simple lang din to. We have, of course, our shrimps. It's, sabi nga ni parang Gordon, poop sack. You don't want that poop sack in your shrimps. So I'm just chopping some garlic. Again, it's optional kung gaano karaming garlic ang gusto nyo. And our spring onions, you wanna use the white ends. In fairness, nagpapakitang gilas ang knife skills ko ngayon, ha? Normally, ito hirap ako eh. 4 to 5 eggs. Okay. We'll have our cornstarch here and our fish sauce. You can also add some pepper, some oyster sauce. We add some Maggi oyster sauce. And of course, why not? Our Maggi Savor para talagang malasa siya ng bonggang-bongga. And then we whisk it. And of course, we will never forget our very special ingredient, our Maggi Magic Syrup. Okay. Just a half a packet for 4 eggs. Let's do our shrimp mixture. Add a bit of oil, garlic and spring onions. And then we'll add our shrimps. Mabilis lang yung luto ng shrimps. You don't want it overcooked. Add our magic. There you go. And some pepper, of course. Ay, amang. You wanna make sure that you work with this very, very fast. Kasi ayaw mong mag-overcook yung hipon. Transfer it, and because we will just top this on our crispy omelet. Ang simple lang, di ba? So for our omelet, ito mabilis ang galawan to. Wanna make sure that your oil is very hot. Okay guys, wish me luck. Oh, yung ganda niya, oh. That's a lot. And you wanna form it. Oh, there you go. Ayan. Crispy na siya. So, you really want to make sure na makuha niya yung kulay niya pagka-mistiso niya. Kasi iyan ang magbibigay ng message na, I'm crispy. This is the perfect time na hanguin na natin siya. You just want to let the oil drip before we plate it. I'm so happy. Let's taste! Siyempre, ang maganda pang bubuo dito sa omelet natin ay pwedeng banana ketchup or, again, you can play it around with making some garlic aioli if you like, sweet chili sauce. Pero ito, okay na to. Ramdam ko yung crunch ng itlog. Yes, may crunch siya. Ramdam ko yung tamang luto ng shrimp. There's a lot of textures happening. Please try this at home. Let us know kung ano experience nyo. Sarap oh. On that note, thank you guys for watching. I hope nagutom kayo at magawa nyo ito lahat sa inyong mga bahay. Let us know kung ano pa yung mga recipes na gusto nyo malaman. We'll just be here to give more content sa inyong lahat, of course using Maggi products and of course using a lot of magic. See you! God bless you all guys!